Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable baby llama cookies. So let's get started. Use edible marker to draw the outlines on your cookie. Now we're gonna start with the face. I'm using ivory colored royal icing, although I like to add a little bit of pink to my skin tone royal icing, but you don't have to if you don't like that. And the icing is about 20-second consistency. Now you can start working on the ears, making the center with pink royal icing, also about 20-second consistency. Outline with ivory royal icing. Now we're gonna make the legs. Again, I'm using ivory royal icing, about 20-second consistency. Use your needle tool to shape the icing while still wet. Let both of the legs crust before adding the leg next to it. Now take 15-second consistency pink royal icing and outline and flood the body. Now take darker shade pink and make the spots. Let it crust and then you can add that second leg. Now finish the head, adding a layer of pink just about the face. Make the tail with dark pink. Once the legs are crusted, you can add the feet. Now we're gonna make the blanket. I'm using 15-second consistency teal royal icing. Let it crust and then you can add decorative border. I'm going to be using two colors, white and royal blue. Let the white dots crust and then you can add the dots between. Now make the eyes. Type 2 black dots and then we're gonna add white for the reflection. Add a little bit of color to the cheeks using pink petal dust and a dry food-only paintbrush. Make the nose with edible marker. Make sure that the icing is dry. And then you can make the mouth with fine tip edible marker. I'm also going to add a camera. This is a curious baby llama who wants to take pictures of everything. So we're just gonna outline and flood the body of the camera. I'm gonna let that crust and then we can add the lens. I'm going to attach pretty pink star sprinkles. Use a little bit of real icing for the glue. Finish the legs with edible marker. I'm using lightly dampened paintbrush. Now we're going to outline the section about the face and also the tail, and I'm going to dust the tail with some sanding sugar. And there is our curious baby llama. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time.